because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Predictions.
A mental breakdown.
Alright, so I have about 2 hours of sleep. About to go to Brad's, pick up Mike's shit, and then come back over here and keep working on cars. Because we're leaving on Monday. So we just left right now on Saturday morning, and we're leaving Monday morning, so we need to hustle. Huge plans about to happen with the Repo. I didn't sell it, don't freak out. It's actually gonna go to Brent's shop. Him and Sean are basically gonna help me achieve my goal, which is make it into a car pretty much, like without messing the body too much, not cutting the body, just missing the frame. So it's gonna go to Colorado while we basically get started on Virginia, and then we're gonna go back to Colorado with the engine and transmission, and then basically just like kind of do like a little build on it. So don't cry about it. I'm never gonna sell that truck, but. So trailer's gone. My dad's gone with his truck. The other truck is fully loaded and gone too. Now we're just finishing up 3 cars. The rest got picked up, and then 2 more get picked up right now. So we're on good way to getting out of here Monday. I sound like shit. I probably look like shit because I only slept like 40 minutes. But yeah, hustling. I need to get the hell out of here. Yeah. I can't believe my truck is gone. It's crazy. All right, Ben, what's the plan?
Get your truck back to Colorado and then have Sean work his magic on it.
Sweet magic. Can't
Get this
wait,
thing
man.
ripping.
I'm tired of seeing it on caster wheels.
Yeah, it's too nice of a truck.
Hopefully 2021 is a good year for all of us.
2021 is going to be a good year. We're going to make it one.
Oh, yeah.
Even if the rest of the world falls apart.
Yeah, Brent's gonna get his first rotary. It's coming.
Yeah, perfect project for us all to collab on. And
Kyle,
do some cool
maybe
stuff.
we might keep pressuring Kyle to put a rotary back in this thing.
Or you just got to show up with your own rotary one.
We've been looking at one, but we want to do a side by side more than a rail.
Yeah, side by side.
So this thing is cool, but up in the dunes, like it's not that agile as side by sides are.
The big boys drive rails.
Alright, so we're at LAX right now. So the trailer broke an axle, and my dad was like on his way back to Virginia, so he's stuck in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So we're gonna have to, well, actually I'm gonna have to take a flight, and we're going to go to Texas. And from Texas, I'm gonna rent a box truck, go meet up with my dad, and we're gonna unload the trailer and load the box truck and try to fix the trailer somehow. Right now we're stuck at the airport, and we should be boarding pretty soon. We're gonna have some people meet with us over there and help us unload it and hopefully fix it. We'll see my dad tomorrow and hopefully turn the trip to the better. You know, obviously the craziest things happen. So I got an airplane to Amarillo, Texas, go to the U-Haul place, and they don't have a truck for me. So, you know, now I'm having to find a different solution. So we ended up getting a truck in Penske. So it cost a little bit more. It was like $1,600, but we're gonna be able to fit all the stuff from the trailer into this truck. We have a welder coming to fix the axle, but obviously we can't put any load on it. So we're gonna empty the trailer, load it into the truck, and my dad's gonna keep towing the trailer, but it's gonna be like patched up enough to where we can get to Virginia, so no wait. We have a couple of friends from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Every time I come down to New Mexico, you know, for cross-country trips, I always stop there, and it's like, you know, the Albuquerque Rotary community is like some of the tightest like people, and they're always down to help. So they're gonna meet us over there, and they're gonna help us unload and pack everything back into this. So I'm gonna call John, let him know that everything's good, and call my dad and let him know that I'm on my way. Check it out. I have to do it. I have to do it. All right, let's figure this out. I think. Push that in. Damn, look at that, man. And we're off. That's not too hard. I just gotta remember not to hit a bridge or anything. Right now, like I said, we're in Amarillo. We're heading towards Albuquerque, New Mexico, but not all the way. Lines Point. So got like 3 more hours left. The Taco Bell craving's real. I think we're gonna send it. It's drive-through only, which is insane. Good.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, can I get a number 7 steak,
Okay, what's drink?
Baja Blast, and cinnamon twist?
All right, go to Portugal window. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, see? We just can't hit that shit over there. Let me put it down on pay. And there they are. I'm pulling up on them. I gotta go make a U-turn. I'm gonna let them know that I'm here. Finally made it, and thank God these guys. They're gonna help us like unload. So Tyler and David are helping us move all this crap. So we're gonna take all the heavy stuff, which is the engines, the lift, the press, the bandsaw that weighs probably a billion pounds for no reason, and we're gonna put all that stuff in the trailer. So we have the roadside service right here. He's gonna, here, that's his number if you guys ever like wonder. He's gonna weld the axle back where it's cracked, right there, and he's gonna straighten it out for us. Obviously my dad dragged it on the U-bolt, so it's gonna need U-bolts, it's gonna need a plate, which is not ideal. But let's get it unloaded. We have to move all these one by one because this pallet, you know, obviously has to be empty for us to be able to put it in here. So now we're gonna do the press, the lift, and move to the heavy stuff. So the goal is to remove all the heavy stuff off the trailer, because what happened was, as I was coming here, I saw the trailer hit a big pothole, and that's what caused the axle to break. So we're just gonna take some weight off of it. Really appreciate these guys coming to help us last minute, especially like this. You know, the Rotary community, there's bad apples, but there's a lot of good people also. Now we gotta do all these engines. We're in the last little bit of motors. We have to rig this battery right here so we can get the lights to work, because it's cold and we're in the middle of the desert right now. It's 2 hours to get anywhere. Like, so we're still gonna have, after this, we're still gonna have to drive 2 hours to get to a hotel. Super late. We got the guys over here that help make it happen. We got Dan, Daniel, David, fucking, I keep fucking up, David. He's gonna be, from now on, Daniel.
He was calling him Dan all day.
Dan, yeah. I got the names all wrong, it's my bad. No, my dad got him Slim Jims.
Oh, thank you.
We're feeding them, you know, with this is what you can find in the middle of nowhere, Slim Jims.
And deli sandwiches.
And deli sandwiches.
It's always close 5 or 6.
Yeah.
5,
So
4:30.
I've been eating M&Ms and Sneakers and sunflower seeds for a day and a half.
So some of you guys don't know, like my dad's been here for a whole day, freezing, sleeping in the truck until we came to fix it. So I really appreciate you guys like helping out, you know, and made it happen. Because if not, we'll be here till tomorrow on offloading by ourselves. We got
Marcos Delgado.
yeah, Marcos Delgado. So he's got a business welding and doing the repairs on the side of the road. So right now he took the celandine torch, cut the axle up to the top just so we can bend it back because it had a crack on the bottom. And right now he's about to weld it back on. He's making it happen.
If you guys ever in Albuquerque, you already know who to hit up.
Right now we got a ratchet strap there to pull it back down, and we cut to the top and straighten back out. So now he just has to bust it back on. Oh, you busted out the stick welder.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hey, now it's gonna hold all the weight. Sick.
7018, let's go.
So it's all welded now. And now we just gotta put the U-bolts again and the plate. Put the wheel back on and drive it. That's it. Now we're ready to roll out. I think we're gonna drive an hour and stop. We're thinking about driving to Amarillo, Texas and stopping there. But it's still a ways out, you know, 3 hours. So it's been a long day. I haven't slept all night, you know, because I had to take a red eye over here, rent the truck, fly to Amarillo, like, you know, drive it 3 hours. I don't think it would be a good idea to drive that far. So we're just gonna drive 1 hour, hit the next town because we're in the middle of nowhere. So we're just gonna hit the next town, get a hotel room, and start tomorrow on the trip back to Virginia. So John's still in California, which he's gonna be wrapping up some cars. The whole idea was me and him drive the RX-8 and the FC back, but obviously this happened. My dad was by himself, you know, and we had to make a decision and come over here and help him. I really appreciate everybody that helped and organized all this stuff, and you know, we knocked it out and, you know, in a day. We're in Santa Rosa, New Mexico right now, and this is the first stop. Well, first stop for me, second stop for them. So we got 2 more days trip. Next stop it will be Tennessee, and then after Tennessee, Virginia.